Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial carpet cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Commercial Carpet Cleaning Machine Pet Bundle. This premium option is Rug Doctor's most powerful carpet cleaner, delivering commercial-grade deep cleaning results perfect for pet owners and high-traffic areas. It features best-in-class suction power to extract dirt, grime, and stains embedded deep within carpet fibers. The ergonomic handle is adjustable for comfort, and the large-capacity 1.5-gallon tanks make cleaning efficient with fewer refills. Plus, this bundle includes 48 ounces of Pro Pet Cleaning Solution and 22 ounces of Pro Urine Eliminator Spray, helping you tackle stubborn pet messes with ease. When it comes to design and build quality, this machine stands out with its robust, heavy-duty construction. Weighing 32.5 pounds, it's lighter than many competitors, making it easier to maneuver during use. Digital indicator lights further enhance the user experience by alerting you when it's time to refill the tank or if the brush roll isn't working correctly. However, the motorized upholstery tool is sold separately, which might feel like an oversight for those wanting added versatility. The Rug Doctor Pro Deep scores high on performance, but its price tag of $649.99 makes it the most expensive option on this list. While it excels in cleaning power and durability, it's best suited for households or businesses that regularly deal with pet-related messes or require professional-grade results. The main drawback is its cost, but for those who prioritize top-tier performance, it's a worthy investment. Pros: powerful suction, pet-friendly bundle, ergonomic design. Cons: high price, missing upholstery tool in the bundle. Coming in at number 4 is the Rug Doctor X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner, Large Red Oxy Pro Pack. This machine is designed for professional-grade deep cleaning. Featuring powerful spray jets, Rug Doctor's exclusive vibrating brush, and enhanced suction power to extract dirt and odors embedded deep within carpet fibers. It comes bundled with a 48-ounce Oxy carpet cleaner and a 22-ounce Oxy spot and pre-treat solution, making it ideal for tackling tough stains and high-traffic areas. This machine boasts a sturdy design with large-capacity tanks, 2.5 gallons for clean water and 4 gallons for dirty water, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without needing frequent refills. At 49.7 pounds, it's heavier than some other models, but the solid build ensures durability for both home and commercial use. The vibrating brush is a standout feature, scrubbing carpet fibers from all angles to release dirt and grime effectively. However, its weight and bulkiness can make it less convenient for smaller spaces or multi-story homes. Priced at $597.99, the Rug Doctor X3 offers excellent cleaning performance for its cost, especially with the bundled solutions that enhance its stain-fighting capability. While it's not as lightweight or maneuverable as some alternatives, it's well-suited for users who need consistent, professional-grade cleaning results for larger spaces. Pros: vibrating brush, large tanks, robust build. Cons: heavy, less maneuverable. At number 3, we have the BISSELL Commercial Big Green BG10 Deep Cleaning 2-Motor Extractor Machine. This model is designed for heavy-duty cleaning with 2 powerful motors that ensure consistent suction and water extraction. It features a flow indicator that monitors water and solution levels, letting you know when it's time to refill the tank. With large clean and dirty water tanks, you can focus on cleaning without frequent interruptions. The BG10 is sturdy and reliable, with a robust build quality that can handle tough commercial tasks. Weighing 42 pounds, it's moderately heavy but manageable for most users. The machine's edge-to-edge suction ensures thorough cleaning, making it a favorite for professional cleaners and business owners. However, its feature set is less extensive compared to other products on this list, and its price isn't readily available, making it harder to assess its overall value. If you're looking for a durable, no-nonsense carpet cleaner that gets the job done, the BG10 is a solid choice. It's ideal for users who prioritize reliability and performance over extra features. Pros: dual motors, flow indicator, robust build. Cons: limited features, unclear pricing. At number 2 is the Rug Doctor X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner Pet Pro Pack. This model is tailored for pet owners, featuring Rug Doctor's exclusive vibrating brush and pro-grade suction power to break down stubborn pet stains, odors, and grime. The included pet stain and odor carpet cleaner and urine eliminator solutions make it an excellent choice for homes with furry friends. Its design is robust and functional, with large capacity tanks, 2.5 gallons for clean water and 4 gallons for dirty water, allowing for extended cleaning sessions. At 49.1 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the Oxy Pro Pack, but still on the heavier side. The vibrating brush ensures a thorough clean by scrubbing all sides of each carpet fiber, while the powerful suction aids in faster drying times. However, its bulky size may make storage and maneuverability a challenge for smaller households. Priced at $599.99, the Rug Doctor X3 Pet Pro Pack offers excellent value for pet owners who need reliable, professional-grade cleaning. Its specialized bundle makes it ideal for tackling pet messes, but it may be overkill for households without pets. Pros: pet-friendly solutions, powerful suction, vibrating brush. Cons: heavy, cumbersome for small spaces. And at number 1, we have the BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. This budget-friendly option doesn't compromise on quality, offering a powerful deep clean at an accessible price point of $411. The XL Dirt Lifter Power Brush removes embedded dirt while cleaning carpets on both forward and backward passes, reducing cleaning time. It features large clean and dirty water tanks, a 9-inch long-reach hose, and a 6-inch tough stain tool for handling hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the included BISSELL Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology enhances cleaning performance while protecting against future stains. The design is functional and user-friendly, with a manageable weight of 42 pounds and dimensions that make it easy to store. The large capacity tanks minimize trips to the sink, and the corded electric power source ensures consistent performance. While it may lack premium features like vibrating brushes or digital indicators, its straightforward operation makes it ideal for home use and small commercial jobs. The BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner delivers robust cleaning performance at a fraction of the cost of higher-end models. It's perfect for consumers looking for a reliable, efficient carpet cleaner without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable, large tanks, versatile tools. Cons: lacks advanced features, basic design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.